your next experiment to determine the VSWR and reflection coefficient of given load. Now you measure the standing wave ratio. Also one of the relation is the Vmax, Vmin. Yeah, Emax or Emin. Also if this one is calculated, this one your reflection coefficient. Now S1 minus S plus 1. You put this equation, you solve your reflection coefficient. Now we go to your reading value. Next one you see here the observation table. There is a load position. You fix a load position using your SS tuner. Also you see in this experiment there is depth position. Noted down a VSWR. If we are VSWR calculated by the relation of standing wave ratio and reflection coefficient, you solve this one. Now we move your SS tuner. Means load is changes, load impedance value changes by using SS tuner. This one your SS tuner. This is your SS tuner. You see here there is a scale in a centimeter. You see here there is a scale in centimeter, means horizontal scale, one of the horizontal scale. This one your one of the vertical scale is using here, not clear seen. That is a vertical scale. This diagram you see here. Now first step in this experiment, what we have done first step, we first set a particular mode. Initial mode, first mode is selected by using a Rappler voltage and beam voltage. You see here the Rappler voltage come in this value ranges. Means first select the initial mode which is propagate in your waveguide. Okay, first setup is measure. How you set up? By using your DSO. But, but here I cannot use a DSO. I just put off. I use to select a particular mode using a VSWR meter. You see here, we first select mode using your supply voltage. After changing your supply voltage, we select your particular mode. Means how you select in this VSWR meter? Means Rappler voltage changes when this pointer is come to right left and move towards your left side. Then your particular mode is selected. Means I select a particular mode. Now what the next step? I use a SS tuner, change the impedance value, means output value changes, output impedance value changes by use SS tuner. Means we first, according your observation table, what I have done here, we first select a load position. This was your load position is the 5 centimeter. Is by changes this position by select. You see here the 0 pointer indicate here is coincide with your 5. You see here by moving. This is a rotated. This is your rotated. This is your rotated position. Also you see here there is a cut between in the center. There is a pin point. By changing your pin point position, you rotate this one. This your depth is changes, means inside there is a pin. Inside your cut point there is a pin. By changing this depth position, by changing depth position, whatever there is change of impedance, means the load is terminated. This is my fixed load. Before fixed load there is a SS tuner, means tuning the impedance values. By changing this depth position, also changing this your root slider. Okay, so what we have done in the first step, to select a particular mode, means I select a particular mode by using Rappler voltage and see your VSWR meter, means maximum reflection come in this right direction, means back to the left side. This one your first mode. The first mode selected. Next move to your SS tuner position. Now we select this load position 5 centimeter. You see here the 5 centimeter how select. You see the coincident with 0. 0 is considered with 5. You see here, means this position is come your 5, means 0 is considered with your 5 centimeter position. This one your 5. This one load position is select. Next one is the depth. Depth is select. How you select depth position means first we take as a 4. 4 is also, you see here, there is also reading. Clear first. Okay. There is a reading in this vertical section 0 5. Also we have rotated 0 5. Next comes the 0 5 10. Next one we move your 4 position, means we count the 4. 4 means just below the 5. We rotated this one, again rotated. Next this one here come your 5, means depth is the 5 and your load position is your 5 center. This one is 4, sorry, this one your fourth position, this is your fourth position, this one is 5, means this position select, load position is selected 5 centimeter 4, means horizontal line is selected, horizontal line is 5 and vertical is the 4, this one. Now we measure the VSWR. We see the VSWR meter. You see here, we go to your VSWR meter section. Here you see, first we set this one your VSWR. Your first your reading, so show you, yeah, standing wave ratio values. First one you see, only first one. Also there is a different indication of meters, but you see your first one, means standing wave ratio will come in this position with the 1. After 1 there is a decrease, not a decrease, this one means minimum value of VSWR is the 1. Again next one is the 1.1, next one is the 1.2, next one is the this over, means if the your impedance match, output impedance match, then your reflection is 0. When the reflection is 0 means standing wave ratio comes the 1 value, means we select first by changing some values of gain parameter and the fine. We select first position is the gain, move this one, value of standing wave ratio is the 1, it come to a 1, this one comes the standing wave ratio is the 1. First this one here select first. Now what you do, you select position this horizontal line 5, depth is select your 4. Now the you change according your gain control, the value of standing wave is 1. Now next what we have done, you rotate this one your slaughter section. Now this rotate and you see your standing wave ratio meter by rotating this one. Now we rotate it and see your standing wave ratio. Now you see only your VSWR meter. I rotated in this section, you have not seen in this, but you see your VSWR meter. I rotated again. In the left side, you see here the standing wave ratio value is increases. I again rotated, again rotate. Now you see here there is come a constant value. This one here constant means I rotated this slaughter section in your left side. This one rotated. This one now stop this position. Now stop this position, means after this value there is not decrease your SWR, means initial start from this one position I select one standing wave. Now rotated your slotted section, then after rotating there is one of the values come standing wave ratio. This one was your standing wave ratio value. You read this one by taking the difference between 1.2 and 1.1, means near about 1.9, yeah, 1.8. Standing wave ratio come 1.8. Now we move your select second reading. Now the second reading how calculate you load position select 6 centimeter. Now I rotated this one position slot SS tuner 6, this one 6, and we change the depth is 6, means depth changes your vertical position. I rotated this one come 5, next come is your 6, this one is 6. Now again by select your position of load, move your standing wave ratio meter. Now first what we have done next, your standing wave ratios come to 1. If not come, you change this knob position to select a 1 value standing. Now again we rotate your slaughter section and see your reading, how much your reading is increases, means there is a left sided value is increases. You see here I am rotating other side. You see here the value of your starting ratio. I am rotating. Then there is a constant come here, means after rotating the this pointer is not again move this one direction, means this was your position of standing wave ratio. You see here what is value come near about your 1.1, 1.1, this one 1.1, 1 point, sorry, in the previous we have read wrong value, you exact value is read here 1.16, this one come, this your second rating. Next one is your third rating. If we move your third rating, we select a position, load position is 7, means rotate this one position number 7, we rotate this was 7, and depth position is again make to 4. Suppose we decrease this one value is decreases 4, 4 position. Now again read this one standing wave ratio meter, again control this gain, select this one 1, values come 1, and now I rotate this one slaughter section and see your VSWR meter reading. I rotated slaughter section. Now this one is a constant, means this one come your 1.21 standing wave ratio. Now you are calculated standing wave ratio, the relation of reflection coefficient s minus 1 s plus 1. You solve the reflection coefficient value. You see here you solve the, means s is also calculated, s minus 1 s plus 1, the reflection coefficient is calculated this one. Okay, this one your calculation of standing wave ratio. Thank you.